So welcome back. Now we are going to study what is box and whisker plot. So the box and whisker plot is another important topic in the chapter biostats of community medicine. So in this box and whisker plot, just remember there is going to be some plot looking like this, or sometimes you'll be given a distribution curve and with the box whisker plot. Okay, and you'll have to identify if it is right skewed or if it is left skewed, something like that. So now we'll understand what box whisker plot is. So this, what you can see here, is the box whisker plot, this one. Now there will be a minimum value, there will be a maximum value given, and there will be quartiles q1, q2, q3, like this, divided quartiles. Always remember, you in this the box and whisker plot, we can find out, or we can get q1, which is the first quartile, we can get second quartile, we can get third quartile, and in this we can also find range. Range is nothing but, you can also find out minimum and maximum value, right? A is the minimum value, here E is the maximum value. So range will obviously be maximum minus minimum. And there is another thing we can find, that is interquartile region, which is nothing but q3 minus q1. This is the interquartile region, q3 minus q1, interquartile region. Range is maximum minus minimum. Interquartile range is q3 minus q1. q2 will give us the median. All right, now I have given one example here. Okay, I'll write it. So you have example of height distribution. So height distribution was given. The minimum height found was 120 centimeter, the maximum height found was 160 centimeter. q1, the first quartile was 130 centimeter, the second quartile was 140 centimeter, and the third quartile was 150 centimeter. Find median, find interquartile range, and find the range. So how will you find range? It is maximum minus minimum. 160 minus 120 is equal to 40 centimeter is the range. You can find interquartile region by q3 minus q1, that is 150 minus 130, that is 20. And you can also find median, that is nothing but q2, that is equal to 140 centimeter. This is about it. Now look at the another type of question that can be given along with the distribution curve. So what is this? This is a normal distribution curve. So how will your box whisker plot be? Something like this. Which curve is this? This is a left skewed curve or a negative skewed. Left skewed or negative skewed. To know what is this, you must have you should have or you might have watched my previous video. So there is left skewed curve or negative curve. So in this, the box and whisker plot is going to look something like this, with the negative or a left more here. The right skewed curve or the positive skewed curve will have a box and whisker plot something like this. Now look at this. If you have watched my previous video, again you will know the concept. In the previous year question of NEET PG, the question was something like this. Or INIC, it is a previous year question basically. Box and whisker plot interpret was given. Now look at this. I told you to remember this coordinate, right? So here I'll make it a little more clear. So this was positive or right skewed, and this is negative or left skewed. If you have watched my previous videos, you are able to answer this question. If you are not, please do watch it. So this is all about the box and whisker plot. If you have any doubts, please do ask here. I will try to answer them. Thank you.